Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw 6, 7, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So let's get started with the number 6. We're going to start with our eye. So on the left hand side of our page, let's draw in a nice big circle. Let's move aside for that pupil now, and again right in the middle, just drawing in another circle. All right, let's go ahead up above here, drawing in another circle for that highlight. And then we'll just color in our pupil black. Let's draw on the number 6 now. So on the top, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming out. Let's draw on our straight line going up towards the top. Let's bring this line in towards the left. And again, we're just going to move that up on a diagonal. We're going to flatten this out. So we're going to bring this over to the left-hand side. Let's bring our line down and then across. Now from here again, let's bring this line down and then over towards the left. We're going to add in a 3D effect underneath here. So we're just going to draw on a small diagonal line coming through. And then we'll just flatten this out, bringing this in towards the eye. Let's bring this diagonal line down. So we're going to draw this quite long for the side of the number 6. And then again, we're just going to draw on a small line coming in. Bring this line down and across, and then we'll flatten this out by bringing this line down. Let's start on the top here. So beside the eye again, we're going to bring this line out and then down. Again, let's bring this line over, back through. And then again, one more time, just bringing this line out. Now let's draw a diagonal line coming all the way down towards the bottom. We're going to draw this line coming in and then back down. And then one more time, bringing that in and then down. We're going to end this at the same height as the line on the left. Now we're going to close this off with a diagonal line. Let's draw in the center of the number 6 now. So right on the top, just a straight line. On the left-hand side, bringing this line down. And then we're just going to tuck that in. Again, let's bring this line down. We're going to extend this line across. We're going to end it at the same width as our line on the top. Now from here on the bottom, let's bring this line up and over. We'll do the same thing on the top, bringing this over and across. We're going to end these lines at the same distance there. Let's flatten this out now. So we're going to draw on a straight line. Let's add in the 3D effect. So from the corner, a small diagonal line. We'll do the same from this point here as well. And then one more from the inside corner. Let's connect these all together now. So on the top, we're just going to draw on a straight line. We'll do the exact same thing on the side. Let's move underneath, flattening that out. And then on the side, just drawing in another straight line, moving that down. Let's draw on the arms. On the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a diagonal line coming out. We'll do the same as we come underneath. And then on the top, we're just going to curve this line across. Now for the wrist, let's curve this line around and in. Now for the thumb on the top, we're going to curve this line up, down, around, tucking that back in. Let's come down now for the pinky. So we're going to leave a small gap, curving this around, out, curving that back in. Now for the center finger, again, just curving this over and across. And then one more time, arching this over and out. Let's draw in our legs. So stepping over on the outside, we're going to curve this line down. We'll move in, ending that at the exact same height. Let's close this off on the bottom with a curved line. We'll move up, replicating that again. And then one more time to create that strip in the middle. Let's draw on the ankle. So we're just going to curve this all the way around and then back in on the inside. And now on the back for the shoe, we're just going to curve this line down. Now let's step over, curving this line over and out. And then from that point on the outside, we're just going to curve this all the way around and down, just leaving a small gap for the sole of the shoe. And now where we have this gap here, we're just going to close this off with another curved line, making sure that connects. Let's move over and draw on the number 7 now. So we're going to leave another gap, drawing in a nice big circle for that right eye. Let's come in towards the middle, drawing in another circle for the pupil. And then right on the top for that highlight, we'll draw in another circle. Let's color in that pupil black. Now for the number 7 on the side, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming out. We'll pull this line up towards the top. And then we're going to flatten this out by bringing this all the way over and through towards the right. We're going to add in a 3D effect here. So from that corner, drawing in this diagonal line coming across, we'll do the exact same thing on the top, ending that at the same width. Let's flatten this out. We're going to draw in a straight line. And then again on the bottom, drawing in another straight line, pulling that over. Let's come down for the front of the 7 here, drawing in a straight line coming down and then over. We'll do the exact same thing, making this line longer, tucking that out. And then again, just one small diagonal line coming through. Now on the top right, we're going to bring this line down and then in. Again, bringing this down and over. We'll pull this line down even longer this time, tucking that in towards the eye. And then again, we're just going to pull this line down and across. We'll continue to do this as we move down. And then on our last line, we're just going to draw in a small diagonal line, ending that at the same width as the line on the top. And then we're going to flatten this out. Let's add in that 3D effect on the side. So we'll just bring this line down and across. We'll continue this as we come over. We're just going to keep doing this as we come down in each little divot here. One more, like that. Okay, let's draw on the right arm. So coming underneath, curving this out, coming through to the bottom, ending that at the same width. Now for the wrist, curving this around and over. Let's step up, adding in a curved line. Now for the thumb, we're going to step in slightly, curving this up, in, around, and then back across. Now for that first finger, just arching this around and in. Again, moving in towards the center, replicating that. And then one more time as we move underneath for that pinky, curving that line in. And then for the bottom of the hand, just arching this around and up. Now let's draw on that right leg. So stepping in, we're going to curve this line down. We'll step over, finishing that off. Let's close this off on the bottom with a curved line. Now moving up again, drawing in another curved line, and then one more time to create a small strip there. Let's move in behind, curving this line all the way around and across for the top of the shoe. On the back, let's curve this line down for the back of the sneaker. And then underneath, we're just going to curve this line over. Now from that point, we're going to arch this line up, tucking that in, bringing that back down. And then we're just going to curve this line across, closing off the sole of the shoe. Now let's draw in some numbers. So coming up, we're going to draw in the number 6. So we're going to draw in a small circle above our hand here. Above this, we're going to curve this around, tucking this up, and then back down on the side. We'll step in, leaving a gap, curving this up and back down, closing that off. And then we're just going to finish this off with a straight line. We're going to draw on the number 7, except we're just going to do this upside down. So stepping up on a diagonal, let's draw on a straight line across. We'll draw a small straight line coming up on both sides, ending that at the same distance there. Now from here, we're going to draw a small diagonal line coming across. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this out towards the top. We'll step over on this inside line, replicating that, curving that out, ending that at the same distance there. And then let's flatten this out with a straight line. We'll do the same thing over on the right, except we're going to draw this number 6 sideways. So coming up above the thumb, again, drawing in another circle for the center of that 6. Moving up above it, we're going to curve this line around, tucking this up, and then back down, leaving a gap. And then from that inside corner, bringing this up, down, and over. And then again, just flattening that out. Now let's draw the number 7. So up above on the side, we're going to draw in a small diagonal line. And then again from here, just drawing 2 straight lines coming up. We'll tuck this line in on the top. We'll curve this line up and out. We'll do the exact same thing on the back. Now let's flatten this out with a small straight line. And that is it. That's how you draw 6, 7. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.